Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you access your 2.4 gigahertz on Spectrum router, enable and also separate the 2.4 gigahertz band step by step. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Method 1. Separate the bands using a web browser. Step 1. Connect to your network. Ensure your computer or smartphone is connected to your current Spectrum Wi-Fi network or hooked directly to the router using a physical Ethernet cable. Step 2. Enter the router gateway IP. Open any web browser address bar and type 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, then hit enter to fetch the local setup portal. Step 3. Submit admin credentials. Input your default administrator username and password, which are printed plainly on the physical sticker attached to the back or bottom of your router. Step 2. Disable Smart Connect or band steering. You can navigate into your advanced settings, then go to wireless or Wi-Fi settings and toggle the switch labeled Smart Connect or band steering to off. Step 5. Rename the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Locate the SSID text boxes for both individual bands. Append a label like underscore 2.4 GHz to 2.4 GHz name and underscore 5 giga to 5 gigahertz name. Step 6. Apply changes and reconnect. Click on Save or Apply, then your router will reboot, allowing you to select your new dedicated 2.4 gigahertz network from your device Wi-Fi menu. Method 2. Separate the bands using the My Spectrum app. Step 1. Open the My Spectrum application, fire up the official app on your phone, and tap on the Services tab located on the bottom navigation bar. Step 2. Select your active router. Tap on the router icon listed under your equipment list, then select Advanced Settings. Step 3. Turn off automatic steering. Look for the Smart Connect toggle option and switch it to off to reveal the independent channel configuration sliders. Step 4. Edit the network names. Manually rename the 2.4 GHz profile field uniquely from the 5 GHz network profile field. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.